Hi, my name is Dr. Greg Olson, your friendly neighborhood functional neurologist. So here, we're talking today about peripheral neuropathy. So if you experience burning, tingling, numbness in your hands or your feet, then you likely have been told or been diagnosed with peripheral neuropathy. So if that's the case, we have a workshop coming up. That workshop is on Tuesday, September 10th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. here at OC Integrative Health. Again, my name is Dr. Greg Olson. I practice functional neurology. And what that means is we look to finding the cause of what's going on. So at this workshop, we're going to go over details about if you've been diagnosed or you've been getting treatment for this. You've probably been told or looked up and seen the different medications that are available. So medications can be very valuable, but in this situation, really what they're doing is treating the symptoms. And in doing so, while that's happening, the underlying cause is typically continuing on, ultimately leading to some bad things. So what I mean by bad things is typically with peripheral neuropathy, what we're looking at are your nerves are literally dying within your body. They're either getting a lack of blood supply or lack of oxygen, perhaps both. So there is no medication that is addressing those, simply the effects from that. So I don't know about you, but if there's something going on, I'd rather get to the cause rather than just treating the effects. If I've got a leak in my roof, I don't want to bucket. Initially I don't want the damage. I want to go up on the roof and I want to fix that leak, okay? So at the workshop, we're going to be going over the details about what this means, peripheral neuropathy, how it's diagnosed, what the drugs are, what are some alternatives for it, how we address that cause, and how effective that treatment can be. So anyways, real excited for you. I hope you can make it. Again, the workshop is Tuesday, September 10th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. here at OC Integrative Health. To sign up, use the phone number below or click on the link below to sign up. And I look forward to seeing you. Hope you can make it. Have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.